In today's video, I am going to represent to you a way on which you can use it to increase your incomes. Now guys, this won't make you the richest person out there, but for sure if you're doing this as a second job, it will help you out a lot. Now guys, all of the platforms that I'm going to represent to you throughout this video are worldwide available, which means that you don't have to worry where you're living right now. And also, they're completely free, which means that you don't have to invest any money from your pocket. And guys, what you will have to do is grab your laptop, and you can do this job by anywhere that you want to. You don't feel obligated to stay on your home. You can grab your laptop and do this at your favorite bars. Now, what you will have to do next is just listen carefully to what I'm going to explain. So in the end, you are going to be capable of doing this by yourself. But before I jump into those details, I would like to ask you first to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me, because as you know, I always publish different videos of earning money online. Now guys, the first platform that you will have to jump over is called OfferVault. Now OfferVault.com, for those who don't know, but I doubt that there is any person out there not knowing what is OfferVault, is basically an affiliate network. Here you are going to find a bunch of different offers that you can share and earn money. So basically you are going to promote those offers and you are going to get paid per each click. Now guys, this is not the same as ClickBank and neither Digistore24, because in ClickBank and also Digistore24 you will have to sell different products from the marketplace, and convincing people to invest money from their pocket, it is really hard. While in OfferVault you just have to convince people to sign up, because here you are going to find CPA offers, which are cost per action. Now guys, it means that you are going to earn money even for people just signing up in a particular website. So what you will have to do as soon as you come over to OfferVault, the first step is creating an account by clicking on that register button. And you just have to put your first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, and then select the country, and you're going to check out that is worldwide available, your Skype, and then click on that submit. Now as soon as you open your account, what is left is choosing the best offers that you are going to share in order to earn money. And guys, I will totally recommend to you gift cards, because those are win-to-win offers. You are going to earn money for people signing up to those giveaways, but also the people that are going to participate have a lot of chances of winning something. So just search up for gift cards over here and then click on search, and then you are going to show up different offers that you can choose. I have decided for this one over here, which is a gift card of $1,000, and you can earn $3 per each click that you are going to get. Now guys, what you will have to do as soon as you open the offer, just click on the run offer over here, and you will be directed to the website that is going to give you the affiliate link. Now you will have to create an account over here too, and I know it might be a little bit annoying, but everything will be great as soon as you start earning those money. Now what is left is how you're going to grab the traffic source, or how you're going to share this offer, and you are going to do in a totally different way, not like we usually have done. We are not going to use social media or any other platform. We are going to use this website over here called Lumen5.com. And if you're wondering what is this website, this is basically a video maker built to supercharge your content strategy. It makes videos easily for you for content marketing, thought leadership, and brand awareness. And you can sign up for free, and also you can do the videos for free too. As you can see, you can pay $0. Of course, if you want more features, then you can choose one of the packages over here, but I won't recommend that to you. So click on that sign up button over here, put your full name, work email, password, and then click on that create account. Or you can do it just by signing up with Facebook, which won't take you a lot of time, and you can do it with just one click. Now guys, as soon as you sign up, this is how everything will look. You just have to click on that new video over here, and then you will need a transcript. And if you're wondering what kind of transcript I'm talking about, it should be related to the offer that you have decided at the beginning of this video on OfferVault. In my case, we have a giveaway of earning money. So what you will have to do is search for an article of best ways to make money online on Google. And after I have decided for a good article, I just need to open that article and paraphrase it on paraphraser.io. Now guys, you just have to search up for an article which will be related to your offer. You might have decided for something else, not about making money online like in my case over here. But after paraphrasing, what you will have to do next is, of course, go over to Lumen 5 and put the transcript over here and then convert to video. This is how everything will be built. You can also put media, icons, music, and everything else. And then you are going to create the video. You're probably thinking that on the next step, I'm going to require to you to publish the video over to YouTube. But in fact, you are wrong, because I know that YouTube is a very big platform and it will become much harder for you to get some views. And not getting views, it means that you are not going to earn any money, guys. So what you will have to do is go over to Rumble and also Odyssey. These are two best platforms that are the same as YouTube too. But here you are not going to find the same competition as on YouTube. Now, if you're thinking that here you are not going to find a lot of people, then you are wrong. Because if you check out on SimilarWeb, you're going to see that Odyssey gets 29 millions of visits and Rumble gets 135 millions of visits, which means that even though there is not a lot of competition, you're going to find a lot of visitors, which means that you are going to get a lot of views on your videos. What you will have to do as soon as you finish up creating your video, just go over to Rumble or Odyssey and put the video, and then at the description down below you can put something like this: if you want to make money fast, then sign up to this website, and you're going to put the affiliate link. And this is how everything will work. And guys, you can repeat this over and over again by creating other videos with different offers that you can find on OfferVault. And in the end, you are going to earn a lot of money. And trust me, this will work out really fast, because as I showed to you, these two websites get a lot of visits, both of them. So for sure, you are going to get thousands and even hundreds of thousands of views, and you are going to earn money. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and also check out other videos as well, in which you will find a bunch of different methods of earning money online.